Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing you how to breed villagers in Minecraft. There's a couple rules to this. If they don't want to do it, it can be a bit annoying to figure out what you're doing wrong. However, here I will be showing the full guide on how to do it. Breeding the villagers is pretty much a part of any single Minecraft world, because that way you can of course get more of them, get a whole nice trading hall and everything. With these guys you can get golden carrots, for example with that guy you can get arrows, whatever you want. So the only rule is they need to have enough beds. 6 beds is more than enough in this case. And they need an inventory full of food. So that is, I believe, 12 carrots, 3 bread, and 6 beetroots. But don't quote me on that exactly. I'm using carrots, and right here I have more than enough. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove these composters for now, because we're not going to need them. What we are going to need is to give these guys a bunch of carrots so they can start working their magic. And this right here should work. As you can see, they're already having a baby over there. I should look away. And any second now, we should have a tiny one. Yes, there he is. So cute. We have a baby villager. Anyway, I apologize for this horrendous looking setup. I'm going to improve the way it looks very soon. But that is how to breed the villagers in Minecraft. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.